Imagine a weapon that can strike any target on Earth in less than 30 minutes. A weapon that doesn't wait for a declaration of war, and once launched, cannot be stopped. While the world talks about tanks and fighter jets, the true apex predator of the U.S. arsenal hides where no one can see it. Today, we're declassifying the power behind the Trident II D5 and the terrifying future of the prompt global strike. The backbone of U.S. deterrence isn't on land. It's underwater. An Ohio-class submarine carries 20 Trident II missiles. Each missile can carry up to 8 nuclear warheads. That's one boat with the power to level 160 cities. But what makes it truly dangerous? Stealth. These submarines are so quiet they are essentially invisible, positioned anywhere in the global ocean, ready to fire at a moment's notice. It is the ultimate second strike weapon.
But there is something even more secret.
But there is something even more secret in the Pentagon's black budget. The Prompt Global Strike, PGS. The goal, to deliver a precision-guided conventional airship
5 times the speed of sound.
Anywhere in the world in under an hour. We're talking about hypersonic glide vehicles traveling at 5 times the speed of sound. At these speeds, the kinetic energy alone, without any explosives, is enough to destroy an underground bunker. No radar can track it in time, and no defense system can intercept it. Why is this the most dangerous weapon? Because it changes the rules of the game. When a missile moves that fast, the window of decision for an adversary disappears. It creates a use-it-or-lose-it scenario that brings the world closer to the edge than ever before. It's not just a weapon of destruction. It's a weapon of absolute psychological dominance. In the shadows of the Pentagon, technology is moving faster than policy. The question isn't if these weapons exist. It's whether the world is ready for the day they are used. What do you think is the most terrifying weapon in existence? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Military Technology for more deep dives into the future of warfare. See you in the next one.